Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Well, last week, boys and girls, we drew these lines. They're quite complicated. As you're getting older, you get the lines getting more complicated to make a beautiful Garden of Eden. I haven't yet seen your Garden of Eden, but I'd love to see it. Anyway, this week, boys and girls, we're not in the garden anymore. We've moved away from the garden, but we're doing something quite scenic. And boys and girls, it is actually a fisherman on his little boat in the middle of the sea. So let's get started. So boys and girls, we're going to draw, as usual, a straight line to give you that confident line without any wobbles. Then we're going to draw this shape like that. We'll do two of it, because we've got to try to make it even when we're doing that. And then, boys and girls, we're going to draw triangle going like this, and a triangle going like that, triangle going like this, and a triangle going like that. It's like the triangles are in the side. Okay? Set up your page from one side to the other. Don't forget to do that. And the next thing what we're going to do, boys and girls, are slants. So we're going to do 3 slants this way and 3 slants that way. 3 slants this way and 3 slants that way and 3 slants this way. That's right. Well done. In addition to the slants, we need to add some teardrops. So it looks like teardrop, but it's actually splashes. It can be different shapes. You will see it in the end result. Also, boys and girls, we're going to draw lines going up, down, and side to side. Vertical, horizontal lines, vertical and horizontal lines like that. Then, boys and girls, I would like you to draw lines that are varying in sizes, curved lines going that way. And I would like you to draw circles, and that would be the last line that we're going to practice. So let's move on to our actual picture. We're going to draw a picture of a man on the sea. So we're going to begin with the waves of the sea. So it's going to go from one side of your drawing to the other, like so. I'm going to do another. Then we're going to draw one more time. Well done. Take your time for you to do that, you know, boys and girls. Make sure you do it very well. You can add another one down below like that, so that it can add a depth to your picture. And then, boys and girls, on top of the waves, you're going to draw something that looks like this. So it's going to start like this, a slant going right across, and it stops here and slants back down here, just like that. And we're going to draw a straight line going up like this with a circle and another line going all the way down like that, and you're going to have something looking like this. That's the sail of the boat. And then, boys and girls, we're going to have a shape like that, a curved line going down, a circle like that, and then right to the top of the circle we're going to draw some slants like that. So it's going to look something like that. So it's this fisherman who's wearing a sun hat, just shade him from the sun, I suppose. And what I want you to do is, with your crayons or your pencils, I want you to shade that in like that. And then, boys and girls, we're going to have his fishing line coming up just like that, and then you can just about see that he's caught this gigantic fish for supper, and bet his family's gonna be happy to see that. All right, and then we have the eyes, and we have the fins, and the gull like that, and the scales going like that. And then we're going to show that the fish is splattering all over the place like that, saying, I want to go back in the sea. I want to go back in the sea. Like that. And boys and girls, we're going to have the fish with some little fish in the waves, between the waves. So we can just draw little fishes like that. Okay, we can put dots for the eyes. We can put some here too, and they're actually watching. They're saying, what's going on there? Poor fish is being caught. And they're not happy about it. So some of them saying, oh, I'm going to get out of here. I don't want to be caught. I'm going to meet my family. Yeah, I'm not going to be caught. I don't want to be dinner for anybody, because I've got my family. All right, boys and girls, I'm just making a story as I'm going along. And boys and girls, last, to add to this picture, we're going to just do some clouds. That's right. Some lovely clouds like so. And then we can draw some raindrops, because it's a rainy day. That's the best time to catch fish, when it's raining, I suppose. All right, boys and girls, and there we have it. You can just draw some lines going across on your boat so that it will look like it's a boat on the sea. Okay, boys and girls, there we have it. And we've come to the end of our drawing. I can't wait to see how yours is going to look. Have fun, and please share with me all what you have done. Oh, One thing I want to put here is half of a fish that he's just caught. So we'll just have half of a fish right there. Just to say, that's not just one fish he caught 2 of them. So there you go. Have a blessed day. Bye.